Hello friends, I'm Subhash Karthik, your life coach. We have been talking about life coaching since last 10-11 months. And there were so many person, they had a doubt that what is life coaching. But slowly and gradually we can build up our confidence that we can tell people that yes, why you need life coaching. There are some people, they are so happy in their life, they feel they don't need life coaching. But we give them reasons why they should go for life coaching. Because it's not about living happy, it's about prosperity, it's about feeling best about self. It's not about only having some good moments. So friends, we have a special guest in with us. Basically, he's our one of my clients of life coaching sessions, because when he came to me first time, I think in the month of June 2014, so we went for a life coaching session with him, and let's listen from him only that what is his experience in this life coaching session. So he is none other than his Saurabh Chatterjee. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Saurabh, first of all, what you are doing?
Now I am working in privatized bank.
Okay, so basically you are a banker,
Yes.
right? Okay, so before 2014, did you know anything about life coaching?
No, I did not know what is life coaching.
Okay, but when in 2014, when you attended life coaching session for the first time, so you came with so many problems. If I just share some of the problems that he had that time, one of the problems where he was having problem in his communication skills. He was not able to speak in English. So I just want to know from Saurabh that what is his condition right now. Yeah, Saurabh, when you came, I remember you were not able to communicate in English. So what is your situation right now?
Right now I am in the process in communication, good communication, because I am practicing in daily basis.
Okay, and I can see that you are speaking in English.
Yes,
That's what is the best thing.
Before 2014, I always feared my communication in English.
Okay.
Because
First of all, you tell me, you are from English medium or a Bengali medium?
I am Bengali medium.
So you are from Bengali medium, but still, it's not that you are speaking so fluently, the best, but you are speaking. At least you are able to communicate your feelings, your
Yes.
emotions.
Yes.
Right. So I can feel that you are no more nervous while speaking. Are you?
No. I am not nervous in present time.
Okay. So you are very confident about English.
Yes.
But you still know that learning is a continuous process, and you daily you have to practice. Like
Yes.
So this is all about your communication skills. But tell me about your self-confidence. What was your self-confidence before 2014 and now in 2015?
Before 2014, I believe I cannot do anything. Always I feel other person better than me.
So you used to feel that others are better and you are not better.
I feel I am not okay. You are okay.
That's very good. And what is your current feeling right now?
Currently, I am always feel I am okay and you are okay.
Oh, that's really very good.
Yes, because every people live in very smoothly and feel very cool. But before 2014, I feel I have no confidence in our life. When any work came in my life, I feel I did not know what is the main work in our life.
Okay, I just want to ask you that has any of your friends or relatives said that yeah, Saurabh, you have changed, you have become more confident? Has anybody said this?
Yes.
You're talking about your girlfriends,
my parents
Okay.
and my some friends always say I have changed in my life.
Okay, really. So you have changed your communication skills, you have changed your confidence level, you have come from so down to now at least you are so confident. If I talk about your positive attitude, how much you are positive in your life?
I always think positive. Before 2014, I created some list. This is good and this is bad. But when I came to in IDQ, I knew the what is good, what is bad. This is more not important.
Okay. So means you want to say that if I think positive, then everything we see will look positive.
More positive. And I know I will be a smart because when I feel smart, then what is good, what is bad, this is not important.
Okay.
I know this is good, this is bad, and I will do work for any kind of path.
Okay. So that's very good. You know, Saurabh, I really could have gone for an interview in Hindi mode or a Bengali mode, as you are a Bengali, right? But still, I wanted to go with this interview in English so that I can really feel that how much you have changed. Because I can see that you are trying to speak in English, and
Yes.
while speaking in English, you are smiling, and there's a confidence in within you that yes, I can speak. And you
Yes.
know, when we speak really from our heart, people forget to judge us. They only go for the emotions. And right now, really, I'm feeling so good that at least you are communicating each and everything in English. So, you have developed your English, you have developed your confidence level, you have developed your positive attitude. I would also like to ask that what about your relationship with your neighbor, relationship with your friends, relationship with your parents? How this life coaching sessions have helped you in this arena?
At first, before 2014, I feel not good because I am an introvert person.
Okay.
But when I came in IDQ, I know this is new thing in our life. This is ambivert. In introvert and extrovert is both mixed. That is ambivert.
Yeah, it is rightly Saurabh is telling. There are so many people, they feel that they are so introvert, they talk less, they are not so much social. Even their parents are telling them every time, why you are not speaking, why you are not speaking, why you are not meeting people. And these dialogues making that person more discomfort. They are making the people start believing that being an introvert is a crime, is a punishment. But my dear friend, it is really not. Being an introvert, I think it is an advantage because we think before we speak.
We always rethink.
Yes, but as he was talking that he's talking about ambivert. It is a combination of introvert and some good qualities of extrovert. So really I can say that Saurabh, the person who was not so confident in front of people, now he's not only talking to me, he's talking to you all in front of the camera. So I really need a clap for Saurabh.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you know, I really wanted to, he was telling that we should make this interview very prepared kind of thing. But I said him that it's not about preparedness. What you are, you are. You are not prepared, you just came to meet me, okay, we'll take an interview. So what? You will speak what you are and be natural. And that's what is important because our audience doesn't want to see what is not real. The audience want to see what is real Saurabh Chatterjee. I know, my dear friend, there are so many people who know Saurabh. He's totally a different man. He's a man with knowledge and skills, and I've seen a tremendous positivity inside him. And there are so many things I've learned from Saurabh. So I just want to say that it was a great time spent with you, Saurabh, in 2014. Even I am very happy that you are changing day by day, and I can see a very positive smile in your face. And that shows that he is really very positive. So friends, it's not about Saurabh. There are so many people in earth, they really need life coaching sessions. Either it could be a job or relationship or the communication skills. Everything needs a good guide. A good life coach will always help you to lead your life, not only breathe in your life. Friends, for breathing we don't have to have these skills, but we don't want to breathe only. We want to live our life, lead our life, and learn our life, learn from our life, and so that we can place a good legacy for our next generation. So friends, it was a nice meeting to you and Saurabh. Nice to meet you, and all the best for your future. And I hope in future you will grow like anything, and people will know by your name that yes, Saurabh Chatterjee is really a very successful person. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.